8 reasons to drink aloe vera juice and how to make it. The aloe vera plant is one of the most well-known plants in the world. Not just because its gel has a multitude of cosmetic uses, but also because its wealth of nutrients make it very beneficial to your health. Rich in water, antioxidants, fiber, and other healthy components, this plant has been used for ages as a remedy against many illnesses. In fact, the pharmaceutical and cosmetic industry still uses its natural extracts to make many products and treatments. However, using it in its natural state is still the best choice, since it's the most efficient way to enjoy 100 of its properties. Aloe vera is even good at helping you lose weight in a healthy way, as it contains very few calories. Many people still don't know how good this plant is for their health, so we want to share 8 reasons to add aloe vera juice to your diet. Enjoy. 1. It prevents constipation. First of all, moderate consumption of aloe vera juice is one of the best ways to naturally fight both mild and chronic constipation. Its high levels of water and fiber have a mild laxative effect that encourages intestinal movement for proper elimination of waste. 2. It helps you lose weight. Consuming aloe vera juice is an excellent habit to improve weight loss diet plans. It's recommended to start consuming it before starting a diet, since it acts as a natural purifier to remove toxins that affect digestion and metabolism. In addition, it can be taken in small quantities to control hunger without adding too many calories. 3. It has an anti-inflammatory effect. People with chronic inflammatory conditions can obtain remarkable benefits by consuming aloe vera juice. Its anti-inflammatory compounds, like campesterol, lupeol, and beta-sitosterol, reduce swelling and its associated pain. It's recommended to help treat irritable bowel syndrome, arthritis, burns, cardiovascular conditions, Crohn's disease, type 2 diabetes. 4. It's very nutritious. In addition, a small dose of natural aloe vera juice is perfect for fighting and preventing some of the most common nutritional deficiencies. Some highlights include vitamins A, B complex, C, and E. Minerals, calcium, iron, magnesium, zinc, sodium, manganese, potassium. 5. It detoxes the body. The active agents in this plant are useful for promoting the elimination of built-up toxins in the bloodstream, the liver, and the kidneys. Its moderate consumption prevents cell damage and chronic issues associated with blood poisoning. 6. It regulates cholesterol. Believe it or not, the nutrients in this natural juice can increase levels of good cholesterol and reduce bad cholesterol and excess triglycerides at the same time. This is due to its anti-inflammatory agents that, among other things, prevent arterial hardening and elevated blood pressure. 7. It supports oral health. That's right, the antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory powers of aloe vera are even useful for preventing gum damage and dental infections. Its consumption and application on teeth reduces bacteria levels, therefore preventing plaque formation and improving bad breath. In addition, it's one of the best remedies for mouth ulcers. 8. It controls blood sugar. Natural aloe vera juice has a hypoglycemic effect that helps people with type 2 diabetes or people who have unstable blood sugar levels. It contains a substance known as glucomannan, which helps convert sugar into energy to avoid its accumulation in the blood. How to make aloe vera juice. To make this healthy juice, you must extract the gel contained inside the leaves. First, it's important to know that the plant must be at least 2 years old. This is because its special properties don't fully develop for 2 years. Thus, its benefits aren't as effective before this time. Ingredients: 1 aloe vera leaf, 1/2 cup of water, 100 milliliters, 1 tablespoon of honey, 25 grams, optional. Preparation. First, cut the aloe vera leaf with a knife and extract the clear gel inside. Then, rinse it under running water to remove any unnecessary bits of waste. Once the gel is clear, put it into a blender and blend with a 1/2 cup of water until well mixed. If you like, add a little bit of honey to sweeten, and enjoy. Drink a 1/2 cup to a cup throughout the day. You can even add it to smoothies and lemonades, too. Don't drink too much to avoid undesirable reactions. As you can see, natural aloe vera has many amazing health benefits. Making it regularly at home and making it a part of your diet encourages a sense of well-being.